Is this thing on? Seems that way. I'm in focus. Looks good. Alright. Hey guys, I know it's been like 2 months, but I'm here now. Happy New Year, by the way. So, brand new year, brand new goals, brand new resolutions, brand new plans. In this video, I'm not gonna really talk about any tricks or tips to taking photos, filmmaking, cinematography, none of that. I'm just going to be talking to you guys about how to go about approaching the new year and how to be more efficient and get things done, because I know the feeling of how it feels not to achieve the things we want to achieve before the year ends, and then a new year comes around and those goals are still lingering. It's kind of disappointing. In this video, I will be sharing some, thoughts on what I think can be done to better mitigate this happening again at the end of 2024 going into 2025, so we can all grow, achieve the goals we want to achieve, reach where we want to reach, and get things done the way we would like them to be done. Nothing will be perfect, like 99 of the things we want won't go our way. There will always be some mishaps, some changes along the line, but we can try to aim for 100, even if we know we're gonna fall for like 95, 99. It's still closer to that 100 than it is to 50 or even 0, right? Like, I found this flower on a tree nearby. Looks pretty cool. Anyways, I hope I'm in focus because this is the Lumix S5 first gen, and we know how contrast detect autofocus is. But anyways, let's continue. So, moving into a brand new year, the most efficient way to get things done, like actually done, is to break up your goals into smaller achievements. For instance, let's say you want to gain like 100,000 subscribers on your YouTube channel. Instead of working towards that whole 100,000 subscribers all at once, what you could do is to break down that 100,000 into 10,000 subscribers per month. That smaller goal will help you to create content more on a monthly basis, and you have a monthly goal you want to achieve. So you will post more, create more searchable items, and try to ride the wave of the algorithm more, and also beef up your social media presence, let's say Instagram, TikTok, so on, so that traffic can be transferred over to your YouTube channel. So it would seem more realistic to gain the 10,000 subs per month than to try to aim big and try to get 100,000 subscribers at once, right? Like, it's getting dark really, really fast. Another important thing I want to leave with you guys for this new year is to remain consistent. You can't start something this week and then by next week you're not giving it the same effort, the same treatment, not doing it as often as you were when you just started. You have to maintain the same consistency throughout if you want to actually achieve something. Consistency works magic. Also with consistency is discipline. We're never ever going to have the motivation to get things done throughout the entire journey. You will have a burst of motivation at 2 a.m. in the morning, that's me, and then by the other day, let's say 4 p.m. in the evening, you don't want to do it. You don't want to do anything, you want to eat chocolate and go watch Netflix. That's how motivation works. It's not going to always be there. So you have to be determined and you have to be disciplined. You have to train your mind and your body to be disciplined to do something even when you don't want to do it. It's like going to the gym. A lot of the times I don't want to do my push-ups, but I have to do them because I want to be fit, I want to be healthy, and I want to be able to lift that heavy gimbal whenever I'm shooting music videos. So you have to be disciplined and pair that with consistency and you can work wonders. So as you guys currently see, I have 3,301 subscriber on my Instagram account. Before around the end of the year, I want this to be at least 10,000 followers on Instagram. So I want to grow my Instagram account as well. For my YouTube channel, there's around 1,350, I'm not certain. Before the end of the year, I want to get this 1,350 subscribers to at least 10,000. So for each month, roughly, I want to be gaining 1,000 subscribers. So you know I have to be posting more, interacting more, and creating searchable content. As I said, guys, once you're consistent, once you're determined, once you're disciplined, you can work wonders. I would love for all you guys within my community, viewers, subscribers of my channel, everyone overall, to just be successful with whatever it is that they're doing for this new year. I hope you guys get to achieve your goals, reach where you want to be, because we can all be great. If you found this video helpful or interesting, feel free to hit that subscribe button so I can, gain my 10,000 subs before the end of the year, and hit the like button so the algorithm can like my video. I'm Chevaughn Beckford, and once more, Happy New Year. I hope I don't get lazy on editing this video. I shot this video on January 1st. So please guys, you can bash me in the comments if you don't see this video by the latest January 3rd. Chevaughn Beckford, peace.